So I'm going to go ahead and do the stabilizer bar and links, and we're going to get ready to get started on that. There's the jack, and let's get busy. Jack stands in place. That one looks good. And we'll go to the other side. Okay, there we go. I'll put some light on here. There we are. So we got the jack stands in place. Get that nice and snug against the frame there. And double check that one on the other side. Okay. Make sure that's good on the frame there. All right. So now we're ready to tackle those ends. Okay. See those old ones on there? Those are polyurethane. And it looks like whenever they put them on, they didn't put the caps in. So we're going to get rid of it. So I got the new outer links installed. One over there. And that one over there. And we're good to go. All right, isn't it fun working on your Corvette? All right, so I had a little front end vibration, and by putting those bushings in, we're going to see whether it is running better or not. I mean, driving better or not. Already, I think the steering is a little better. Okay, where I noticed it most was on the highway. It's just like a little front end wobble. And I would get it around, I don't know, 50 to 60, 55 to 60 mile an hour. It would clear up above that. And every time it would drop down to about 60, I'd get that little vibration. So we're going to see whether or not that took care of that situation. Okay, I'm running 60 mile an hour right now, and I don't have, well, maybe just like a slight, very slight, not like it was before, vibration. It's pretty much smooth. Yeah, that's pretty, that was the road. Yeah, because it's like super smooth now. Oh yeah. Well, I'm glad I did it. Thanks for sharing the moment.